Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Destiny 2 error code chicken. So first of all, you need to open up this web page and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then what you need to do is go ahead and open Steam on your system. Click on Steam in the top left corner and then tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings panel, select the Downloads tab and then click on Clear Download Cache button at the bottom. A pop-up will come up. Tap on OK to confirm and acknowledge that you'll need to log into Steam again, and then relaunch the game. But if you're using a console, then to clear cache, you need to first power off your console. Once the console is completely shut down, unplug the power cord from the back of the console. Let the console sit unplugged for at least 5 minutes. Plug the power cord back into the console and power it on, and then relaunch the game. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to perform a cold restart of your router. Power off your router. Now, unplug it from their respective power sources and wait for 5 minutes. Then plug back the power cables and turn on the router. Now launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. But if it doesn't, try using wired connection over wireless connection. But if nothing works, the last best thing you can resort to is to uninstall the game and then reinstall it. Hopefully, the error will no longer persist and you can enjoy Destiny 2 error-free. Alright, well that's all for now. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.